All right, today's demonstration I want to show the Anderson squat. The Anderson squat, not commonly known or used in terms of squatting movements or squatting variations. Very, very effective in terms of developing the squatting pattern if you are somewhat unfamiliar with squatting, or you want to work on your technique, or your range of motion isn't great, mechanics need to work on as well. There's a safety element at play which really delivers a good option for those that are still working on their squat. So you can see here I've got the safety rail set up at a relatively high position. The reason for this is you want to set the safety rail up to the bottom of your squatting movement as it stands, so at the ultimate depth, because what we're effectively going to do is a dead stop. It's a squatting dead stop. Now there's two ways to start. You can either start in a traditional movement where the bar's on the J hooks and you slide in under like you would with a normal squat and then proceed with the movement. Or if you want to challenge yourself, and anyone who watches this and this is delivered in a program of mine, I welcome it. You can start the bar actually on the safety rail, so you're starting from a squatted position to lift it up. That's more challenging, still applies either way. So I'm going to start up here just to demonstrate, just using the bar. Make sure it's at the appropriate height to get in and firmly connect with the bar. Okay, bar gets lifted up. Now this should be at about my appropriate depth. Set your squat as a per normal squat. You want to squat down, nice controlled movement, down, 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 dead stop, 1, 2, and up. That's our movement. Back down, hold, 1, 2, and up. You'll find that dead stop is quite challenging because this is to deliver not only a better squatting movement, but also a lot of power. So if you're a power athlete, if you need to work on your acceleration out of the blocks, if you're a sprinter, if you're a volleyballer, if you're a rugby league player and you want power out of the blocks, this is definitely an exercise to take on board, because from that dead stop you can actually accelerate and lift that weight at an accelerated rate, therefore delivering power to your legs, developing strength and acceleration in that movement. And that can obviously lead to better performances on the field or on the court or whatever the sport is. Now, for anyone who's just doing this for body recomposition or improving their squat, the same principles apply. We want to make sure that our acceleration is good, thereby can obviously perform really, really well and deliver a good squat and continually progressively overload with this particular movement. So, Anderson squats. It's a variation to the traditional squat. Excellent movement. If you want to deliver or work on a squat, I certainly recommend this one. So give it a go, the Anderson squats. Great for a squatting variation.